So if you don't want people automatically tagging you in posts on Instagram, then you can set up your profile in such a way that you have to approve tags for them to exist. So when someone tries to tag you, Instagram will send you a notification telling you someone is trying to tag you in a post, and then you can approve or decline that tag. So to enable that option, then go to Instagram, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, beg your pardon. So that takes you to your profile page, and then tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and select settings. Under settings, go to privacy, and then under privacy, go to posts, and then under posts, go to manually approve tags. Tap on that. And then here, as you can see, to manually approve tags, you need to enable that option. All right, so turn it on. And that's it. So from now on, if someone tries to tag you in a post on Instagram, then you'll get a notification telling you someone is trying to tag you. And then you can either approve that tag or decline it if you don't want to be tagged in that specific post. And that's basically how to approve tags manually on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.